Hello, I'm Leigh from Diecast Legends, and today I'm going to take you through an unboxing of and my first impressions of Tecnomodel's 118 replica of Juan Manuel Fangio's 1951 Formula 1 World Championship winning Alfa Romeo 159 Alfetta. So, sleeve off first, then the lid. As usual for a Tecnomodel box, the front of the box folds down like so. You also have a couple of inserts to remove that stop the model moving around in transit. And here we are. So, Juan Manuel Fangio won 3 races during the 1951 season to win the first of his 5 Formula 1 championships. This is specifically the number 24 car that he took to victory in the first race of the season in Switzerland. For many collectors, this will be their first chance to acquire this model in 118 scale, because Exotto is the only model manufacturer to have made this model before in that scale, and it had a price point of nearly £1,000, and you had to import it from America yourself. So for many collectors, this is their first chance to obtain this model. This one costs $249.99 from Tecnomodel. As usual for a Tecnomodel replica, this model is made from resin. This means there are no opening parts and the wheels aren't movable either. But we are advocates of sealed body shell replicas because it means there's less things to go wrong and you have a much finer bodywork shape without any unsightly shut lines or panel gaps. The model's presented on Alcantara base. The limited edition plaque at the rear states the individually numbered limited edition out of 425 pieces. We ourselves have just 10 left after fulfilling all our customer pre-orders, so there aren't many opportunities left to obtain one of these replicas. Moving on to some specifics of the model, if we start at the very front, you've got the gaping radiator grille, which Tecnomodel have done a very good job of recreating. Then moving on to the wheels and tyres, it's generally spoked wheels where model makers can fall down with recreating a car because it'd be quite difficult to get the fineness of the spokes done nicely, but they've done a good job here. You've then got the authentic tread on the Pirelli tyres surrounding those. You've got the drum brakes with the cabling coming off of those entering into the car nicely. You've got details like the fins behind the front wheels and the full-length exhaust going down the whole side of the car. Moving into the cockpit, there's some nice levels of detail in here. You've got the 3 pedals in the footwell, as well as the gear stick, the 3-spoke steering wheel, driver's seat, the instrumentation on the dashboard. And there's a nice touch here with the mirrors inside the cockpit itself, which I wasn't aware the cars ran with like that. But that just shows how good Tecnomodel are with researching everything properly. And moving down to the tail at the back of the car, you can see a really nice job with the paintwork and general body shape. So that's my initial impressions of Tecnomodel's 118 replica of Juan Manuel Fangio's 1951 Formula 1 Championship winning Alfa Romeo 159. I've been Leigh. If you'd like to purchase this replica, you can do so through our website, diecastlegends.com. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then you can subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.